Hello students, this is Lakdawala sir and today we are going to take a very important chapter of yours which is shares and dividend. We have to see all the technical terms what we have to use in the chapter. Unless until you don't understand the technical terms you will not be able to solve any questions. Okay, shares. Okay, before starting with the shares and dividend, I might like you might know about the shares. You might have heard from your parents or from your relatives what is shares. Okay, I'll just give you a brief idea like what is a share. Whenever a person wants to do investment into a particular company, then that person has to buy shares of that particular company. Okay, means if I buy shares of that company means I will do some investment into that company. Okay, so that's right. If I want to do some investment into the company, I have to buy the shares. Every share has some price. Okay, the price means at what price we are buying it. Okay, so the first term which we have to understand, the price at which we buy the shares of that company is called as market value. Okay, which is also named as MV. Okay, the short form is MV. Okay, the price at which we buy the shares of that particular company. Okay, now that company, like when I buy those shares from that company, the company has to give me some profit. The profit that company gives to me, the technical term to tell about the profit, they named it as dividend. Okay, so dividend is nothing the profit which company is going to give me if I keep those shares of that company for a year or for half year. Okay, so every company has different rules. Some companies pay half yearly. In half year they give us some profit. Some company gives after 3 months. Some company gives after a year. So depending on that company, we get some profit, which is also called as dividend. Okay. Now at what rate, how much profit they should be giving? Okay, that company decides. So how much profit that company should be giving at what rate is called as dividend percent, which we also can say it as a rate. Okay, then whenever a company starts giving some profit or whenever a company starts, okay, initially, so they have to give profit at some value. At what value they should be giving the profit is called as a face value. This face value is very important. So every company has its own face value, and that to decide the face value there are many other terms, but you should understand on what basis the company is going to give me the profit. It depends on the face value. The company is not going to give me profit which is called as dividend on the market value. On what basis they are going to give me the profit? It is on face value. Okay, so face value is also called as FV. Okay, now dividend. Okay, now how we have to calculate a dividend? Dividend is calculated by number of shares, means how many shares I buy, into its face value, into at what rate I am going to get the dividend, divide by 100. Okay, in short form way we can also name it as NFD upon 100. Okay, so we can use this short form to find the dividend. Okay, like how much profit the company is going to give me. Okay, now how much investment I do. Okay, how much investment I'm doing into that particular shares or into that particular company. This investment also we can calculate. Investment is equal to market value, at what price I am buying the share, into number of shares, how many shares I buy, will give me how much investment I have done in that particular company. Okay, now at what rate Okay, if I do some investment into that particular company, I should be getting some return, right? Return means I'm going to get some profit. So what is my rate of profit I'm getting? How much profit percentage I'm getting? Okay, in the simple terms, you can say percentage of profit which I get. To find that, it is called as return rate. Return rate is also termed as RR. Okay, so return rate percentage we have to calculate. Okay, it is on dividend upon investment into 100. Okay, so these are the formulas which we have to use in shares and dividend. Now there are few more technical terms you have to remember, like market value. Okay, now at what value I'm going to buy the shares is called as market value. Okay, but if I am buying the shares which is higher than its face value, okay, suppose the face value at that company is rupees 10, the face value is 10, but the market value of that share is, suppose right now it is 20 rupees, so it is more than the face value. If my market value is more than the face value, then it is called as premium. Okay, then I call it as a premium. The shares are at higher value. But if my market value of the share is less than 10, suppose, then we call it as the shares are at discount. Discount means they are at lesser price than the face value. But if my share price, which is my market value, is same like as your face value, if it is same, then we call the shares are at par. Okay, so students, these are the technical terms which we have to remember. Now in my next video I'll be teaching you how to solve the questions. Okay.